where were you when you first kind of started with everything? What was your main goal and focus when you first kind of came into the program?
No, I got on because I was going to the gym and just doing what I was doing like every morning, still doing 5 days a week. Wasn't seeing any results. I didn't want to. I was probably sitting about 86. I wanted to get to about sort of 89, 90, and I was sort of putting on them that weight. And then obviously the gastro bloody set me back. But then I stopped caring about the scales because I sort of had the look that I want. I thought to have the look that I want, I needed to be at that size, but to have the look that I was I was chasing. I sort of still could be the same size. It was just sort of same weight, but just had the bigger, the bit better physique, and then sort of I wanted to lose a bit of the midriff, mate. And I've gotten that without sort of having to be that fucking 90 kilos that I was sort of I thought I needed. But yeah, so I've sort of got to my goal without sort of getting to the weight that I was hoping for, but I've got there with the shape and the look I was after.
You mentioned that you were kind of umming and ahhing, or you did a bit of a bit of skepticism, I guess, at the start. What did kind of make you eventually pull the trigger on it?
Probably just, or maybe, I don't know, like, there was just sort of, you could sort of see that even just coming through the way you've got things written down, like your passion for it. I think also that you're local as well, so I sort of feel like I could relate a bit. So yeah, like once you start seeing the result, you sort of go harder, I reckon. Like it's once that sort of all started kicked into gear, mate, it was sort of just the drive was there more than sort of what it normally is, I suppose.
What do you reckon would have happened for yourself if you never really took that bet on yourself and kind of joined in?
No, I still think I just would have been just going on that one for that line, mate, and just doing what I was doing. Still just, I suppose, just maintaining. I suppose, like
yeah. Talk to me where you're at now. Talk to me where you're at now, because you're in incredible shape. Like you just
going to the gym earlier. I like it because like I feel like I'm up against there's people in bed still, but I'm up doing things. I'm like, I'm getting my day started. I'm sort of, I've got a lot of people covered. So that's what motivates me as well. But just as you said, it's like I'm feeling just fitter about myself, better about myself. No, just obviously a good headspace. As I said the other day, the alarm goes off. I'm popping out of bed these days, and it's fucking.
Those habits, what have they kind of done for you in your life?
Even sort of say like now, I'll say for more food things. Like it's sort of. You can walk past things. Not that I would say, like, I always sort of thought I could eat healthy, but you sort of just really, like, dialed in, looking at things, like, you sort of, whether the difference between having a protein bar and a bloody Snickers or something, like, you sort of, or, just good habits create good habits, I think, mate. Like, it's just, as I said, like, it all just, once you start making the right choices, and even if they're only little ones, mate, like, you just feel better, being that's the little one, I feel better about myself, maybe an hour later, you might be, I don't know, picking between one thing or another, and you pick the healthy way or the, even lifestyle way, like, it's bang, it's just, you just create little habits that fucking, you just choose health over bloody anything else sort of thing.